about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
云林诏安客的祖先来自福建诏安、关皮等地，分布在二伦、伦贝、西罗。落脚二伦的廖昭孔为张廖家族的来台族，擅长水利，对农业贡献良多。张廖家族将分居25处的聚落合并为7大聚落，即西罗七坎，因当时盗匪猖獗，为了自保而发展的团练组织，聘请同乡的阿善师、金生师开设武馆，声名大噪。金生师的不击拳延伸出开口诗武艺，又称客家诗、和仔诗，因为嘴的形状有如四方盒，可任意开启跟闭合，为客家诗的最大特色，也是唯一可入庙门的舞狮。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for Talk About Hakka here on Icrt. I'm Joseph Lin.
And I'm Nancy Sun.
Hi, Nancy.
Hi.
Hey, we're going to learn more about the Hakka culture again.
Fascinating.
Especially the language.
Definitely.
Can you speak a few now? 安子 say?
真来了.
Hey, not bad. But do you know how many main dialects are in the Hakka language?
Ooh, I've heard you guys talk about 海陆腔 before.
Yeah, that's right. That is
Right.
one. We also talk about 四线 most of the time.
Right.
But there are a total of 5 main dialects.
Wow.
四海大平安 5.
Wow. Well, I mean, it's kind of like in North America. In Canada, we have
yeah.
different dialects across different regions.
Yes.
And in the States,
Oh,
you
yeah.
have the Southerners, the Northerners,
The New
East Coast,
Yorkers.
West Coast.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then us Americans would always say, oh, you have a Canadian accent when you say a boot.
Or a.
Or a.
Come on.
You don't really have that, do you?
I do say a.
Oh, you do?
But I don't say a boot. Who says a boot?
Terry does.
Oh, right. Okay.
All right. So, yeah, dialect is always going to be part of a language, especially a major language, and for Hakka as well. And there is a big population of people who speak the Zhao An dialect, actually. And there's a lot of celebrations going on in Yunling right now.
Really?
Yes. For instance, they have what's called the lion dancing. You've seen
Right. That
before,
is a
right?
big part of Chinese culture.
Yeah. Like during Chinese New Year, you always see a lot of lion dancing. But the Hakka lion is a little bit different.
Oh.
And to identify the Hakka lion, you got to look for a rectangular mouth as opposed to the oval mouth.
Really?
It looks actually kind of cute. So if you have a chance, go to Yunlin County and spot the lion, all right?
All right.
Yeah.
好，现在应该要请 Leo 来教几个客语单字喽，包括当然早安怎么说？
早安，
早安 ，That's the dialect。那舞狮呢 ？Lion dance。
打死诶。
打死诶 And now you know more about the 早安 culture and dialect. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka. 安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.